What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, got the iPhone 14 Pro on deck, guys. Y'all know I had this device around for about 2 years now. Now, this device served me as a video camera for my channel for a long time, and just a device I utilize to see and keep up with Apple stuff. You know, guys, I am in the Apple ecosystem: MacBook, iPad, Apple Watch. You know, I switch back and forth, so I do mess around with Apple. This is definitely one of my favorite colorways that Apple ever produced. The deep purple, probably the reason why I kept it and stuck it out with this device for 2 years, honestly, because I just really like that color. If you don't know, I'm definitely a Ravens fan, so everything purple flies over here. But we're going to move on and we're going to move up, so let's get into it. Okay, guys, so what I grabbed right here, guys, what we got going on right here is the iPhone 16 Pro in Desert Titanium. And I grabbed this iPhone 16 Pro in Desert Titanium because I thought the Desert Titanium was a dope color and probably would go well with some of my favorite cases. And I got 256 gigs in case I do want to take some pictures or try some, taking some raw pictures and doing some photo editing. So just a little extra storage. Didn't want to get base, which is like 128 gigs, which ain't really holding too much. But very simple, guys. This thing is Type-C now, things of that nature. So it was just time to update and time to try the new out. Even though right now Apple Intelligence and things of that nature is not full on rolled out, it will be. So I want to try that too. But let's just get into this little unboxing. Now I'm just going to open it up like so, guys. And this is really not the first unboxing. I already had the device out and I already cut the device on because we don't got a whole lot of time to waste. So all y'all getting from me this video is this. And as you can see, the iPhone is already on anyway. Okay, guys, so this is the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, this is just something that I grabbed because, this is just normally on schedule for me. New iPhone every 2 years. I don't do an iPhone every year. I may start doing that. I may start getting more into the Apple stuff on the channel because I know y'all like that. And I've seen some things and I can see the growth and the potential. So that may be a thing. Apple may be a little bit more on this channel. But this is the Desert Titanium colorway. As you can see, now with some things that's not on my iPhone 14 Pro that are on this 16 Pro. Like the action button. You know, on the 14 Pro, we got the action slider. Now got the action button. Volume rocker is the same. Take a look at this side. You got the power button. But also we got camera control. And I really like how this got like almost like a gold, rose gold type tint to it. I really thought this was a slick color, so I definitely had to pick it up. Now again, if you look at these devices, the iPhone 14 Pro is 6.1 inch display. It has more bezel. If you notice, more black area. The black bar around the screen is a little thicker. It's a little smaller than the 6.3 inch iPhone 16 Pro, and as you can see, the bezel is thinner. Now it's not crazy thinner, but it's definitely making a difference. So this is a little bit bigger, so I feel like that's pretty cool. I always like the minimal iPhone, but for them to bump minimal up just a little bit, this does feel like substantially just a little better in hand for somebody with big hands like me, but don't want the big gargantuan 6.9 inch iPhone. I feel like aesthetically, the Pro, the smaller iPhones, this is how Apple looks best laid out to me. And as you can see, we got the action button on the 16 Pro in Desert Titanium. And in deep purple, we just got like the alert slider, the silent slider. So they changed from that to that. One must for me was to definitely get off of the lightning port. iPhone 14 Pro still had a lightning port. I'm trying to get everything Type-C because, I run Android anyway. Everything should be, everything that you own as far as electronics, guys, even if you're not a super techie, everything should be moving towards Type-C. So we have that universal just charging type of cable. And as you can see on the 14 Pro, guys, it was like an antenna right here, antenna band. This didn't function, even though it looked like it's a button or something, but this didn't function on the Desert Titanium 16 Pro. This is actually the camera control where you can control the camera, and it's kind of like got the same look. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all guys. Another reason that I went and picked up the 16 Pro, or something that I need to check out on the 16 Pro for myself, when the 15 Pro came out, which I didn't get, enhancements was made to the main sensor. So the main sensor got better on the 15 Pro supposedly, and also you can shoot an Apple log, which is like a raw form of video, and get some really good video on the 15 Pro. So that's something I missed out on. And then on this device, the 16 Pro, the actual ultra wide sensor has supposedly been improved also. So camera improvements are always going to have somebody like me wanting to try a device out, because I'm quick to get some content on an iPhone. Like I like to use my iPhones to run the channel, and then a lot of times, honestly, my Androids will be the starter channel. But like to be able to get some even better video than I was getting on my 14 Pro, I like the thought of that. But yeah, as of right now, I'm just letting y'all know that we got this on the channel, guys, and it's gonna be a lot of accessories for this thing, because you guys know I love accessories. And also, we're gonna get into some Apple intelligence and things of that nature when it's full on rolled out, though. Apple's rolling out a little bit of it at a time, and I'm not really putting this device on beta. So I'll probably come back to y'all a week from now, maybe 48 hours from now, 72 hours from now, after I really get this set up how I want to get it set up, and just talk about once I really get my thoughts laid out, and get back to y'all. Right now, this is just my unboxing, my first impressions, kind of the why I did what I did, and what I came from, and what I went to, and what I gained. So, yeah, it's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed, guys. I'm out. Peace.